Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Readings by Roxby. So I'm going to do a weekend reading for you guys. It's going to go from September 21st to the 23rd, so Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I just got this deck today. It's the deck that I'm using, The Second Nature by J. Larson Designs. You can find her on Instagram. Same creator as The Distant Past. Beautiful deck. You guys have seen that before. But really, she really outdid herself. Oh, I'm so glad the Ace of Cups is at the bottom. Beautiful, beautiful deck. I've been following her with this deck for a while. It's finally here. So, connected with it for a few hours. Instantly, though. Deck is amazing. So we're going to do the Celtic Cross spread. If it resonates, awesome. If it doesn't, check out the ones that I post over on Instagram per element. Link will be in the description box. All of my subscribers, the weekend. Friday, 21st to Sunday, the 23rd, 2018. Feels good. Still a little slippery because they're new. Okay. First card, Four of Swords. Crossed by Six of Fire, Six of Wands. Foundation, Ace of Earth, Ace of Pentacles. Recent past, the Sun. Beautiful reading, really, so far. Wow. Crowning you, the Chariot. Beautiful card. Wow. Moving forward, the Two of Earth, Two of Pentacles. In your environment and how you see yourself, Child of Earth, Page of Pentacles. Your hopes and fears. Oh, the Magician. Oh, what did I do there? Wow, I'm so excited about the cards. Okay, that's better. Your hopes and fears, Lord of Fire, King of Wands. The outcome is the World. Wow, beautiful. At the bottom of the deck, look at this. Wow, this is a beautiful reading. Really, happiness, wish fulfillment, emotional abundance. Like, really, wishes and dreams coming true. Healing. Just beautiful overall energy for the weekend. Just really emotionally in a good place. And I do see that. I mean, there's a lot of happiness here. You're starting out with the Four of Swords. You know, this is a very peaceful, calm energy. Right? Look at the card. Some of you definitely healing, just taking some time off, taking a break, going on vacation. Just beautiful energy, really. Peaceful. That's peaceful, calm serenity. Crossed by the Six of Wands. You know, feeling confident, proud of yourself, successful. moving toward victory, success, abundance. You are still waiting on this, but it's absolutely what you're moving towards. You know, and you do have a few cards here that also tell me that you're headed towards success and victory. You know, and if you're finding yourself being patient and waiting for something, it's coming. It's definitely on its way. Your foundation, the Ace of Pentacles, could be in regards to a new job, a raise, promotion, a new home. I mean, it could be absolutely anything. Something that you're going to value very much. It's a solid, stable new beginning. You know, it could be a new home. It could be what you're moving towards. It is at the very early stages. You're at the early stages of this. But you're beginning to manifest this new beginning. Really. You know, and in the more recent past, you have the Sun. And this is complete happiness, contentment. Some of you could have found something out, or enlightened about something. This could have been some sort of success that's already come to you. Really, this combination, you could be like really in the spotlight in some way, getting recognized, you know, in the public eye. I mean, I just love this Six of Wands in this deck, because this, you know, there's completion. You're almost there. There's success, wealth, abundance. With the Ace of Pentacles here, the Sun, I mean, really in the spotlight, or will be very soon, and you're just feeling confident, enthusiastic. And this is what you're thinking about, which is the ultimate victory and success card. Feeling confident, victorious. You're feeling free. You're feeling free. Some of you could absolutely be going on vacation. You know, definitely the Four of Swords, the Sun, the Chariot. The Chariot in this position, you know, you could have a decision that you need to make. You could be looking at, you know, two different paths. You know, I am seeing, actually, you know, there could be a few different paths. You could actually really, with the Two of Pentacles, you know, have a big decision to make. You have lots going on. A lot of things happening at once. Could have, you know, a few different paths that you could choose from. And you really needing to make a decision, weighing your options, the pros and cons. I just feel like some of you just aren't completely sure around, you know, you're not just 100% sure yet. But you're definitely in the process of making a decision. You know, with the Four of Swords, excuse me, you know, you definitely could be spending that alone time, you know, literally meditating, thinking, because it looks like you're doing that here too. Really, you know, taking your time with this decision. How, you know, how you're viewing yourself. You have the Child of Earth. So this could be a financial offer, opportunity that's coming in for you. It's good news, or an opportunity on the financial front. I love how she has the, you know, because the Page is in the early stages. at the very beginning. The little baby there. I love that. But there is a lot of growth, potential, success within this. And it does allow for you to be able to manifest and move forward in some way. Because in the position of how other people are viewing you, you do have the Magician. So, people are absolutely viewing you as empowered, successful, especially with the Chariot and the Magician. I mean, you're being viewed as someone who's very creative and is really making things happen. For some of you, this will be in your career, very creative. For those of you that are trying to grow your business, start a new business, move up within your career, there's definitely a lot of success that's coming your way. For some of you, a fire sign, Lord of Fire, King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag, that could be significant. Very fiery, passionate, a go-getter, makes things happen, very creative, ambitious. I feel like that's exactly what you're hoping for, if not dealing with a fire sign. Hoping to be able to, manifest literally your hopes, your wishes, your dreams, your desires, whatever it is you're passionate about. And you most definitely are. Because you're really completing one chapter of your life and moving into the next chapter. Such a beautiful, blessed energy. Like you've successfully made it. It took some time. It was probably a process. But you've made it. And you're moving forward. And with that being said, some of you, the next chapter that you're starting, it could be that you're moving to a new home, traveling across the globe. Travel is really absolutely in the cards here for you. Those of you that are moving far away, it could be to a place that's really warm, sunny, beautiful. This is a really great spread, and you're manifesting. What a beautiful reading. Really. Let's clarify. We'll look at the Four of Swords. With the distant past. Same illustrator. Beautiful deck, right? Leave your comments. What's under the Nine of Cups? Five of Wands, maybe after going through some difficulties. Would you believe I showed you guys? This is the Ace of Cups. This is at the bottom of the deck for you guys. When I first showed you guys the deck. Coming out of I feel internal struggles for the majority of you. With the Five of Wands being under the Nine of Cups. Really? Four of Swords. Great spread. Alright, I have a couple that fell out here. What do we got? Ace of Pentacles. So you have that twice. The Tower. For some of you, this is a house move. The Hierophant. And the Five of Pentacles. Maybe, some of you didn't have enough money to back this house move. Definitely. Some of you definitely big changes for the better, though. And it could be in regards to moving to a new home. You definitely... It's interesting. Five of Pentacles, and I just got done saying, internal struggles. Fives do represent challenges, difficulties. It could have been a big shock. Could have been very suddenly. You know, maybe for a small number of you, it could have been that you lost a job. Could even be concerning a relationship, marriage, with the Hierophant as well. Something happening there. You know, could have been an awakening, you know, where, you know, you realized something that was lacking. Something that just, you know, with this energy that was just taking some downtime, needing to figure things out. If it's a relationship matter, taking the time to make a decision. You know, and I do see a lot of thinking and contemplating here, you know. Even here too, but the energy is still peaceful. You know? It's peaceful. And there's communication coming. Or again, you know, there's travel in the cards for a lot of you. You know, you could go with the Chariot being the ultimate victory success card in this position. I feel like a lot of you will make a decision. You're focused on a new beginning. I think really you've, you know, already have done this. You've already have thought about this. And, you know, over the weekend, going into next week, there's a couple major arcana cards here. You know, so it could play out at least, you know, a couple weeks, a month. But you're on the right path. You'll make the right decision. You know, this is a beautiful combination. Listen to your intuition too, I feel like saying. Really listen to your intuition when it comes to this. Beautiful energy, guys. Let me pull you guys a Romance Angel card. Okay. Well, 2 cards jumped out. I'll take them. Why not? We have reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. And playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Well, if someone from the past could be a Leo, maybe a Cancer, Aries, Leo, Sag, and with playfulness, you know, those of you that are single, you know, definitely get out and about. Let me say this first. Let me go back. Those of you that are already in a relationship, you're not breaking up, you know, have fun with your partner. Even if you did go through some turbulence prior, you know, if you want to heal the relationship, you're going to have some fun. Flirt with your partner. Go on this vacation. You know, it's here. It's in the cards. You could make that happen. Try to do that is my suggestion. Even if it's just a cheap weekend thing. You know, to bring back that spark. Those of you that are single, you definitely could have someone from the past coming back. You know, if you want to meet someone, you just need to get out, have fun, be social. You know, get out and about. Or someone from the past is coming back. You could be reaching out to this person. Maybe if you've been contemplating that, thinking about doing that, it's probably a good weekend to do it. Good luck, guys, really. Very nice reading. Love it. Have a beautiful weekend. Have already started on your weeklies. So I will see the rest of you back here for them. Virgo and Libra are actually uploading. Absolutely love you guys. Have a beautiful weekend, and I'll see you back here during the weeklies. Take care, guys.